Welcome back to Coding Trades. So in today's video we are going to see about string operations. So what are the string operations we have? Like if you want to convert the capital letters to lowercase letters, uppercase letters to lowercase letters, or vice versa, lowercase letters to uppercase letters, or if you want to compare the two strings, or if you want to split the strings, what you will do? All these things we will see in today's session. So, if you want to convert the uppercase characters to lowercase character, you will use a function called numpy.lower. With this, it will convert the uppercase characters to lowercase characters. So, the important thing which you should remember here is whatever the uppercase characters you are having, it should be there in the parenthesis here, like this, np.char.lower. Like this, you should pass the uppercase characters. It's okay if you are passing the lowercase characters also, it will return the same string because there is nothing to convert, right? So here I passed the uppercase characters, so I got it in lowercase format, like this. So next thing is split. How to separate the things like words. So here I am splitting. So the name itself indicates that splitting means separating, right? So with the help of SCP, you will separate the words like this. So see here, I am using char.split here. So with the split method or with the split function, we will separate the words like this. So this is about the splitting. Coming to the next thing is joining. How you will join? So with the help of a separator, you can join the words or characters. Here we will see with the help of a separator characters. So here I am using the separator as hyphen. So with each and every character, each and every letter will be joined with the help of a separator. See here, you can see C hyphen O, D hyphen, I hyphen, like this. So here I have used two separators like hyphen as well as colon. So here you can see C hyphen O hyphen D hyphen, like this. And for the you can see like this. So this is about join. So you are also having different function according to the requirement. We will choose the functions like strip, capitalize, center, decode, encode, ljust, rjust. We have all these seen in the Python tutorial string functions, right? So you can have a look over there. So the next thing is NumPy string information. So what is this string information will do? Like it will count the occurrences. Let us see how it will count. So here I have used the function called as char.count, np.char.count. So with the help of count, it will count the substrings or the strings, how many number of times, like number of occurrences. So this is one occurrence, this is the other occurrence for coding. So here we can see the substring coding here. Here also we can see the substring. So you will get 1 over here and 1 over here, and you will get 0 over here because that is not a coding. And here I am checking the substring FO. So here it is. So I will get 1 over here and the remaining I will get 0. So you can have a look at the output here. So as I have encountered this coding here, so I got 1 and 0 over here and 1 over here. For the FO I got 1 in the middle. So let me give S here. So it will be the full string. So again I got the same thing 1 0 because I have got codings here and codings here, like that. It will check. So count will check how many times the occurrences of this word is there, like that. So here and here. So next thing is find. rfind. So what does this rfind will do is it will find whether you are having a string or a substring while passing. So here let me go with this. So here I am passing a comma coding. So a is a variable which will hold this words, right? So it will check coding. So let me write here yes, so that it will become the full string. So coding it will check whether it is there or not. Find, it will find. If it is yes, then it will return something. So see here. So here I am passing the substring fo. So whenever we have encountered, whenever it is fine, then it will return 0. Whenever it is not fine, then it will return -1 like this. So here I am seeing codings. Yes, true. So 0. Here I did not see codings. False. So I got -1. Codings 0. So in the next string I am passing F4 for the substring. So it will also check the substrings also. So F4, yes it is true. So I am getting the output like this. So -1 is absent and 0 is presence. So next thing is isnumeric. So it will check whether the one which we are passing is numeric or not. If it is numeric, it will return true. If it is non-numeric, it will return false. So for that, I am using isnumeric. So this is a string, and this is also the string. We're passing the string with numbers. So let us see what it will give. So it is giving false and false. And let me pass the number over here. You can expect the output now. So it is a number, so it will return true. Now it will return true. So this is what isnumeric. Isnumeric will check whether it is having numbers or not. So the remaining functions like find, index, isalpha, isdecimal, digit, lower, ispace. So you can work on these things. So next thing is string comparison. So what does this string comparison will do is it will check each and every character. We check each and every character whether it is matching or not. If it is matching, it will return true. If it is not, it will return false. So you got it as false because I am passing codings and for. I am using char.e equal. So codings and for both are not equal. So I got it as false. So let me write here for. So both the things are same. So I should get true. Yes, I got it as true. This is how you will compare the two strings. So next one is not equal. So what does this not equal will do is it will check whether it is equal or not equal. So it will check here also it will check every character. It is equal or not equal. So I will use here not underscore equal. So codings and for. So is that two things are equal? No. So I will get it as false. Sorry, true. Because here we are using not equal. If it is equal, then we will get false. So not equal is opposite to equal. So we will get true like this. So this is our not equal. So next thing is greater. So what does this greater will do is it will compare the two strings character by character. So first value, what is the first value? What is the second value? Character by character it will compare and then it will return. So if the string 1 is greater than string 2, then we will get the output as true. Otherwise we will get the output as false. So let us see with the single character. So here I am using C and F. So if C is greater than F, C is small, right? So we are getting false. So let us split these two. So I will give F here and I will give C here. So now F is greater. So I got it as true like this. So if string 1 is greater than string 2, then you will get true. Otherwise you will get false with this greater. So here what you are checking is it greater than or not you are checking. So the remaining thing is like greater equal, less equal, less, all these things you can check. So if it is greater than equal, the string 1 is greater than or equal to or not, you will check less equal, you will check it is less than or equal to. So it will numpy.less will check whether it is less than or not. So these all the things we have studied, like in the string comparisons and string operation. In the string operations, we can go with the lower, upper, all these things. So in the string comparison, greater, lesser, and in the string information, we can go with count. All these things we have studied. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.